Hey guys, I just wanted to update you about the movie. So, here's the movie. Call into battle. Let's do this. Ah! Ah! Okay, so I need to take the camera. Okay, I need the genre. The genre of the movie is brutal. That's the genre. Okay. Okay, it's a little short. It's a short movie. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the short movie. I will be making more short movies soon. It's October, so happy